Hi guys, in this short video I want to show you how to create and manage your FAQ items on the Valo intranet. Let's create a new one first. Go to the toolbox, create content, and select FAQ. Enter a question. How to create a new FAQ item. Select the category, software, and enter your answer. Step 1, go to the toolbox and create new content. Let's enter an image here. Open the toolbox and create a screenshot. There we go. And just paste it in here. Easy to do. Enter the other steps, etc., etc. Click on create and you are done. Now let's see how to edit an FAQ item. Just open the item, click on edit, do the necessary changes here and click here on update, or click on delete if you want to delete it, but do the necessary changes, click on update, and your changes are saved in the FAQ item. Thanks for watching.